Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to fix my Samsung monitor. It's starting to glitch and I've been dealing with this for a week now. So what I did was I bought a cord. As you can see, this is the old cord and I'll show you what it looks like when I plug this in. So there, I've plugged the cord and I've had this monitor for 2 years. The other screen is good, but this one started to have some lines in it. So there you go. There's the glitching, and as you can see, my other screen is already working. This is my other screen. It's good. This is the glitching screen. So what I used to do was just like turn this thing, turn the cord in the back, unplug it, replug it, and sometimes it works, but it's getting really annoying that I can't really count on it working. As you can see, there you go. So what I did was I went to eBay and I looked up the brand and the make and the model of this adapter charger. So what I did was I scanned that code and searched for it on Amazon, but there wasn't much choices. So I went to eBay and I just typed a 25 watt and then the code there, and I was able to pull up a very similar item. It's brand new. I think it's open box, but they said it's pretty new, so let me try that and see if it works. This is the piece that I got from eBay. I don't know why it came with this disc, but this is the new cord. And it came with this cord as well. So this is the adapter. Let me see if it looks a little bit different. So the code are actually similar, but the R.C in here, and then there's an R.D in the newer one. But I'm gonna try it and see if it works. So plug this in. I'm just undoing this cord. I've already plugged it, so we can try out if this would fix the problem. If not, then I would have to upgrade monitor. So let's see here. So here is the moment of truth. I've plugged it. I'm just waiting for it to turn on. Okay, so we're having the same problem. Let's see if it'll change. Well, in this case, if it really doesn't work, then it might be the monitor has a problem, because this is a brand new cord. And I've checked with tech support before, and they said it might be a loose cord, and that's not the case now since this is brand new. So let's see here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to restart this computer, and then I will have my final verdict if this cord works. So it's restarting it. So right now my computer is connecting to the remote desktop. Okay, so far I have the right screen starting up, and this one is still in black. Okay, so I have tried. So finally I have restarted it and tried to like tweak with the cords, and actually the new cord didn't help. So maybe for others that are experiencing the same glitch, to save you the trouble of getting a new cord, you could just replace your monitor, because the the cord really didn't work, so I'm not going to be able to use this computer anymore. So that's for the video today. It was unsuccessful, but I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.